Purchases by Supplier report. From this report, you can view what are the purchases done from your suppliers. You can access this report from Suppliers, Reports, Purchases by Supplier. You can select Suppliers. You can select particular supplier, range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all suppliers. You can select active suppliers, inactive suppliers, or both suppliers. From supplier category, you can select particular supplier category, range of supplier categories. If you don't select any supplier category, you can view all supplier categories. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range purchases. If you check include supplier returns checkbox, system will display purchases including supplier returns. From style, you can select summary or detailed report. We will generate summary report. Hit view report. You can view purchases by supplier. You can view the date range, number of pages. You can view transaction date, transaction reference, transaction description, quantity, and total purchases. These transactions group by supplier. Each supplier total you can view, and you can view grand total. If you check include supplier returns, you can view the supplier returns. In summary report, you can view one line for one transaction. You can generate detailed report. If you select detailed, system will display each line items in the transaction. You can view date, reference. Under description, you can view the line item. You can view quantity and total purchases. In summary report, you can view one line for one transaction. By clicking this transaction number, you can view the original document. And you can export this report to PDF, CSV, or Excel. You can print or email this report.